Bioflight AgriVentures. So we're here at Bacolod City. We're producing po animal protein. Yes, that's one. And also we're doing waste management or all bio waste in the city. So we're helping our city here to clean all the waste that sending po sa landfill, di ba? Yung lahat ng basura nagpupunta ho sa landfill, tinatrap po natin yan na hindi napupunta doon. So lahat ng nabubulok, Bacolod alone, we have here, we started last 2023. The data itself, daily po na waste or basura natin in Bacolod City alone, it's about 30 to 100 to 150 tons of waste, bio-waste na yan, sir, per day. But our company, we can only cater about 5 to 8 tons a day only. We highlight different types of farmers. Laging problem nila, ang sasabihin lagi sa'yo, sir, lugi kami, sir.
Yes.
Bakit? Ang taas ng feeds eh.
Yes. I
Parang
always
lahat
feel
ng,
that it's,
lahat ng kinikita namin pumupunta lang sa cost ng feeds eh. Pero, ito naman yung isang concept, sir. So, why not we can use our natural way of our, let's say, sa insects, di ba? Hindi naman lahat po itong natin eh, yung larva itself, ito. Yung pinaka-larva po, ito yung dried actually. Yung dried larva natin. So, yung dried larva natin, he can produce po a different types of protein source.